Hey guys, I was so worried because I checked upstairs, downstairs, and up here, and no one's here. I'm just really scared. I feel like I'm somewhere in my dad's house, cause I don't know, like, without my brother and stuff, I won't be able to live. And I'm really sad, you guys. I don't know what to do. I checked upstairs, downstairs. My dogs are still here though, and no one's here. I don't know what to do. I'm freaking out and stuff. If you guys know what I should do, then let me in the comments below. If not, then I don't know what to say because this is really freaking me out, and I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, you guys. If I already checked the bathroom. I already tried to call people. They wouldn't answer their phones. And this is very scary because I don't know what to do or anything. My dogs are the only ones that are here, and I hear my dogs barking when they hear a knock and there's nobody even near. No one's there, guys. I'm feeling really scary. Like, my body's moving. I'm like kind of getting shivered out. Maybe a sticker will help me. A sticker maybe will help me. Tastes good. But I don't think it's working. Okay, guys, I'm back in my room, and it seems though I'm still not okay. I made this few cigarettes.
Después de haber vivido una experiencia histórica y emocionante, después de haber puesto,
I think it's helping.
eso es importante, haber puesto el nombre de Israel en el mapa beisbolero desde finales del año anterior con su clasificación de Brooklyn hasta una primera ronda en la que terminaron 3-0 y hoy en su despedida. Ahí está el saludo, la muestra de respeto del equipo japonés, del Samurai, para todos estos fanáticos increíbles. Y una vez más cumplieron a cabalidad durante el Clásico Mundial de Béisbol. Japón nunca ha perdido en este clásico, aquí jugando ante su gente en Tokio. Una contundente demostración del equipo japonés.
I'm going to Kit Kat. If you guys know what I should do being in the house alone, comment down below. If not, I will invite you to my house and I will make you come on video. Bye.